Good morning, everyone. This is Tiffany, your esthetician, and today I'm going to be talking about something else that isn't regarding the skin, but it is something that I'm passionate about, which is natural ways to do everything, including insects. Now, as you can see, it's summer and I've been invaded by my little critters, the ants, as most of you probably have. So what you're going to do is you're going to take borax, which is a natural cleaner. It comes right from the earth, and it doesn't have a toxin in it so much as it completely dehydrates the little ant, so it can't become immune to it. And of course they don't recognize it as food. That's why you're going to mix sugar and borax and water together. Recipe: 1 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of borax, 3 cups of actually really hot water because you really want it to melt together. And the little ants come, they eat the sugar water, take it back to their nest. It dehydrates the whole nest, and within about 3 hours you will be ant free. I also put it outside. You just want to make sure that if you do have animals outside who like sweet things, just put the balls under a bowl, and then the ants can go under the bowl and get it. Because they're really tiny, they can get under anything, and then that way your animals don't eat it. It's not really so much toxic, but it's really not good for anybody to eat. I mean, it's a laundry detergent booster, so, hey, it comes straight from the ground, and it's been around a long time, and it is one of the greatest ant killers of all time, and it really does work. So in 3 hours, I will not have one ant, and I don't have anything sticky in my house. So this is Tiffany, your esthetician, signing out for today, a safe way to kill your ants.